walk. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing today. I got this tennis skirt from Marshall's. There's shorts underneath, and it's like the perfect walking attire because you don't have to worry about your shorts riding up because of this like the skirt part. It's just perfect. And then this big shirt that I got from H&M, and my Adidas shoes, which you cannot really see, but that is the fit for my walk today. 10,000 steps a day. I typically will do some of it in the morning, half of it in the morning, half of it in the evening, just to kind of break it up so I'm not like out there for like 2 hours at a time. But I'm really enjoying it.
Hello, I just got home from work a little bit ago and now I'm gonna do a little leg and glute workout. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I just do it in my apartment. And as you saw, I went on my walk this morning. I am walking 10,000 steps a day. So we're getting our walking in. And after my leg workout, I'm gonna do some cleaning and then I gotta make dinner. And we'll see what else I get up into after that. So let's get this workout in. Tonight for my dinner, I am roasting up some chickpeas, and I've got some frozen broccoli. I put some seasonings and some Whole Foods garlic butter, and I'm roasting these with my dinner tonight. I'm gonna have my little tofu Buddha bowl that I've been doing lately. If you know, you know I'm in my tofu era, so I love making this for the side, and then I have leftovers for the next couple of days. My tofu bowl, it looks kind of crazy, but I have air-fried sweet chili tofu, roasted broccoli, roasted chickpeas, rice under there, and then some avocado and some hot sauce. And then I'm having it with this Jamaican ting, sparkling grapefruit. Found these at Whole Foods, and it's really, really good. Like way too much sugar, but it's good to have for a little treat. But this is my dinner, and I'm so excited. I'm starving, babes. She's starving.